To deposit patient milestone and measurement information, please ensure you're on the Overview tab of the patient record. To deposit measurement information, select the Measurement sub-tab, and then select Record New Measurement. DECIPHER currently supports growth measurements, visual function and fundus imaging. If you're interested in recording other quantitative data, please contact us. We're happy to work with other clinical specialties to enable this. In this example, we're going to deposit information about head circumference, so I click Head Circumference. My patient has a head circumference of 48 centimetres at age 2. Once I save this information, it's shown in a table on the left and also a graph on the right. My patient's data is shown in relation to the median measurements, as well as plus minus 2 standard deviations. I can add additional measurement information about head circumference here, or record other measurement information by going back to the drop-down. To deposit milestone information, select the Milestone sub-tab. Currently, DECIPHER supports social smile, sat independently, walked independently and first words. I'm going to add information about sat independently, so I'm going to click this Edit button. The milestone has been reached, and it's been reached at 1 year. DECIPHER doesn't share this information openly on an individual basis, it shares it in aggregate. So if I go to the Genotype tab of the patient record, this particular patient has a variant in CDK13. If I go to the Gene tab at the bottom, we can see information about the CDK13 gene, including this aggregated data. So we start to share quantitative data once we have 5 patients which have pathogenic and likely pathogenic variants in a particular gene, and the data has consent for open sharing. So at the top of the page we can see, in this case, there's a composite face. This is a computer-generated image of a patient's which shows the dysmorphology features that you would see in a patient with a pathogenic variant in this gene. We also have graphs showing the quantitative data. For example, here we have height plotted around the standard deviation. We have a curve for the normal population, individuals within DECIPHER, and then individuals with pathogenic variants in the CDK13 gene. Because I've added information about my patient for head circumference, I can see where my patient falls on this scale. This line is not shared openly, it's only available to users at the depositing centre. I can also see, because I've added information about SAT unaided, where my patient falls on this distribution. If you have any questions about DECIPHER, please contact us. Contact details are available at the end of this video. Thank you.